In the previous video, we have learned about logical operators. Logical operators are used for writing compound conditional statements. We can combine more than one conditional statement by using and or. Example, and write a compound conditional statement and write a program on that. So what is the example here? See, let us take a example of working hours and leisure hours. So in a daytime, the hours starts from 0 hour to 23 hours, total 24, including 0, 24. Total 24 hours are there. Now in this, from morning 9 o'clock to evening 6 o'clock, these are taken as working hours. So if I draw a line for 23 hours, right, total 24 hours from 0 to 23. Now suppose this is 9 o'clock, right, this is 9 o'clock. So 6 o'clock evening will be taken as 18 hours in a 24-hour clock. Morning 9 a.m. to evening 6 p.m. people do a job. So that job hours are from 9 to 18. So in a 24-hour clock. Now I want to find out whether hour given is a working hour or a leisure hour. So if I say 10 o'clock, it's a working hour. If I say 12 o'clock, it's a working hour. If I say 17 o'clock, then also it's a working hour. 18 o'clock, then also it's a working hour. So beyond 18, it's not working hour. So this is what I want to check. So for that, already I have a flow chart here. Enter hour, read hour. Then if an hour is among 9 to 6, that is 9 to 18, then it should print working hour. Otherwise, it should print leisure hour. Means it's not working hour. Then how to frame a condition? That hour should be within this range, So when you have to check something within a range, you have to say it is greater than or equal to 9 and less than or equal to 18. So there are two figures you have to take, right? Greater than or equal to 9 means it should be on that side and on this side of 18. So let us write a condition for that. So condition looks like this. If R is greater than or equal to 9 and, so and means this is the operator use, R is less than or equal to 18, right? So it means in mathematics we write like this, R greater than or equal to 9, less than or equal to 18. So mostly students will be used to with this one, writing this form of it, mathematical form. But in programming, we cannot write the things like this. Actually, these are two different conditions, and they are joined together. So for both conditions, we have to write R. Both the times we have to write. And we have to join these two using AND. Right? So when you have to check the range, then you have to write and you have to write two conditions separately. Make it clear. So you will come across many times this type of conditions you will come across, right? When you have to convert it into a program, you have to convert it like this. So write both of them and join them with AND. So let us fill up that in flow chart. Then I will convert it into a program. So R is greater than or equal to 9 and, so I'm not using C++ operator here. In simple English language I'm writing, and R is less than or equal to 18. That's all. If this is true, it will print working, otherwise it will print leisure. Now let us convert that into a program. So already I have prepared a few statements in the program. See, this is the main function, and in this program we need first thing, that is one variable. So we should declare the variable. Then I have a message, enter R, then reading R, right? Reading R. Now I have to display either working or leisure. So here I will write on the condition, if R is greater than or equal to 9 and this is in C++, right? R is less than or equal to 18. Then I should print a message that is working. See, this can be inside flower bracket, but if you have a single statement, you can skip it. Then else, see out here, it's leisure, right? This is leisure. That's all. So this is the program. So this is a simple program using compound conditional operations. So in the next video, you will find one more example on this one. Then I have some coding exercises. So in some coding exercise, I'm asking you to write down just condition, and in some coding exercise, you have to write down most of the code in a function, right? Maybe you have to write down the things from here to here in the coding exercise. That is only conditional statement and then printing something. So there is a demo available for this one. You can watch that demo and practice the program by yourself.